I'm Becca Smith,
I'm Coty Hoover.
and we are taking over Scene Media's Facebook page. Hello, everybody. If you're out there, you might be watching the Super Bowl right now. It's understandable. Justin Timberlake's about to come on.
Yeah, but not yet, so this is more
Not
important.
yet. So watch what we're doing. Yes. Yeah, we're taking over Scene's Facebook page right now. We're going to play a couple songs for you. Scenes Media, just a little bit about them. They are a digital entertainment magazine. They just do a lot of creative stuff, and we're really, really excited to be a part of this tonight. So we're going to play just a couple songs for you. Let's start. This first song we're going to play is a song that I wrote. It's called The Murder Ballad of Francie Lou. Ready?
Let's do it.
Well, ain't known me by Francis Lucy.
I called him my sweet, sweet Jimmy Lee.
It wasn't but 3 days that I didn't meet him. We was in love and we got married in that Lone Star courtroom.
Yeah.
Well, me and Jimmy Lee, hell, we was happy for a while. We would go down to that local salon and we'd go dance from time to time. One tragic day, Bounty Hunter Joe, he stormed into that dusty old bar. And my face on a warning sign, Jimmy Lee said, baby, tell me who the hell you are. And I said, baby, I'm wanted in 13 states. Yeah. For murder and robbery and unbelief. Oh yeah. Before this, my name was Adeline Sue, and before that, my name was Betty Lou. But I know that I love. Next thing I know, my hand was slow and he was too quick to draw. Big Joe shot me square in the gut, and Jimmy D, he caught my fall. He said, baby, baby, just don't give up. I'm gonna find that man and kill, then I'll come sew you up. Oh yeah, Big Joe and me sure had a 3. Those are the last words on hands, breath and whiskey. Then he said, baby, I'm wanted in 13 states. Yeah. For murder and robbery and unbelief. Oh yeah. Before this, I was a good surgeon. I'll come back and sew you up again, 'cause I know that I love you. And I said, baby, I'm wanted in 13 states. Oh yeah. My name was an MC, and before that my name was Betty Lou. But I know that I know you, Francie Lou, Jimmy Lee, they rode off into the night. Two fugitives in love, they were husband and wife. Yeah, thank y'all. Anybody out there? I think we got a couple watchers out there. Thanks for doing that. We're gonna play a song that I wrote. It's called I-26. It's gonna be on my upcoming album that I will be releasing in early spring. So I'm hoping for mid-March, no later than early April, really trying to get it out there. So really, really excited. So this song is going to be on the album, and it is called I-26. I hope that y'all will enjoy it. All right, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go. 3,000 miles from where I want to be, and I-26 ain't cutting it for me. Passing cars and one-horse towns as I roll my window down, and I got an itch I need to scratch. Oh yeah, Carolina, you've been good to me. Holy city, don't come looking for me. I am a honey to me. American city, set me free. Oh, I'm packing up a few things before I hit the road. Yeah. And the only thing I think I'll miss is the love. I'm trading Spanish moss for some red rocks, but I may never leave if I keep it second thought. Oh yeah, Carolina, you've been good to me. Oh. Thank y'all. So this is going to be our last one. We're only going to do 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 songs. And this last one that we're going to sing is just about the only song I've ever co-written. I wrote this song a couple years back with a friend of mine. His name is Stephen Fiore. If he's anywhere out there, Stephen, hello. This song we wrote together, and it is called This Way. Coty is going to play it on guitar. And again, thank you so much, Scenes Media, for allowing us to crash your Facebook page tonight. We've had a lot of fun. Check them out. If y'all want to know what they're up to, who they're featuring, what kind of cool creative stuff they're up to, check them out. They're on scenesmedia.com. Give them a follow here on Facebook. They post a lot of cool stuff, a lot of musicians around, and you can see us. We're coming up. I got a couple of shows in February that we're really excited about. February 9th, we'll be playing with Prettier Than Matt, Columbia group. And we're going to be playing in Columbia at the
Fox Field.
Fox Field.
On Rosewood.
Off of Rosewood. So we're doing that on February 9th with Prettier Than That. And then on February 21st, I'll be playing full band at All in Dog Green. So really, really excited about that.
Which is pretty awesome.
Yeah, so let's give it a go, shall we?
All right.
Now we can go watch Justin Timberlake. I guess you won't remember anything at all. I heard you talking in your sleep. If only words could do it right and fix it all. The lies you believe. I'm gonna miss the man I thought you used to be. There's a little house in Carolina. For all the times that you were never there for me, I know you're just leaving them behind you. I don't wanna forgive you, but I feel like I have to. Let it go and do what you need to. I wanna believe you when you say you were always this way. If blood is thicker than the water in the well, well, that can't be the only thing that keeps us bound together. Only time will tell what colors the future will be. I don't wanna forgive you, but I feel like I have to. Let it go and do what you need to. I wanna believe you when you say
You weren't always this way.
I still remember when I was a little child. Hundreds of secrets locked up behind that smile. I don't wanna forgive you, but I feel like I have to. Let it go and do what you need to. I wanna believe you when you say you weren't always this way. Thank you so much, Scenes Media. Y'all have a great night watching the Super Bowl. Go watch Justin Timberlake. I'm going to do that right now. And don't forget, come see us February 9th with Prettier Than Matt in Columbia and February 21st at Allendale Green in Charleston. Y'all have a great night.
Thanks for listening.
Bye.